Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Abhi, your go-to channel for all the things codings and development. Today we have got an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We will be diving today into the Filament dashboard customization. Filament is a powerful admin panel package for Laravel that streamlines your development process. So let's get started. Here we are going to use this command for publishing the filament configuration files. Okay, and in filament config filament, this app filament, just a moment, it will be inside app providers. Okay, app providers, filament admin panel provider. In this we are going to put like the logo and change the color from, you are seeing this color, right? It's a blue. See, blue. Let's say orange. Okay, I don't want to show this filament widget here, so I will just comment that out. See, that's gone. Now we need to have a logo. Images slash logo dot png. Now let's go in public directory. We will create new folder images, and in that we will copy the filament logo. I have downloaded it already. Images, and here we will rename it as logo. Let's see if it's loading or not. Sorry. Brand logo. Okay. And it's logo.png we have. We can also configure for dark mode and light mode. In light mode we will see the logo, since the logo is in the dark. We can also put our customized logo. For that we have to create a custom file. Okay, now I am going to create a user resource. So let's go there. Filament resource user. Now we will see users in our dashboard. Here in filament user resource, the form will have the name. Let us just check our user model: name, email, password and phone. Okay, so we are going to text input Same way, text column, make name, and it is would be searchable as well as sortable. Okay, let's see if it's working or not. Okay, and edit. Okay, now let us take with the email. Name is also required for us. Same way goes with the email, and same goes with the phone number. Okay, and same way we are going to show the email and phone. Email, and we will be able to search by phone also. Okay, first one is our admin. Okay, now for the password, okay, let's say for this one builds to, and I am going to make the password as same as the phone number. Now let's try logging in with the password. Okay, so password is getting updated. Let me just change again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now let's try to access with the old password. It should give error, and with the new password it will be working. So our password thing is also working. Coming to, okay, now I only want to allow like this email ID to access this admin panel, because any user can log in to our admin panel. And let me just show it to you. Like I put bills2@bpixel.com and password 12378. I am logged in, so I don't want that. So here one functionality is there, can access Filament, can access panel. Okay, and for this we have to put in the user model. Okay, and it implements Filament user. I'm not going to use this as verified email, just I'm going to use info@excel.com. Let's try for bills to at the rate. Okay, it's still allowing. True, else. Let's try it login now. Bills to add the okay, so it's working. Like this, you can configure for yourself like whom you want to allow admin panel. In later stages, we will be using like user type admin or user type customer. So for any admin, we will allow to access the admin panel, and for any user type customer, we won't allow to access them. And that's all. By the end of this tutorial, you will have fully customized dashboard with user access control functionalities. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy coding. Thank you.